Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by that title, I will be making an outro for boys and girls, but this one gonna be for girls. Fellas, you can follow along and make it look on. You feel me? As you can see, we will be making this intro.
Is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
So the first thing you need to do is download Phono. Click on Phono. Then you should already have your image, what you want your background to be. So I want mine to be black. What you need to do is click on plain image. Click on the white one. Then you want to set the size. You feel me? So the numbers you need to put in is 1280, and the bottom is 720 for the bottom. Click the arrow. Click use. Then next you want to click add image. So you should already have your image, which I'm using this black one. Period. I'm using this black one. What you want to do is size it. That's the link. You know. So yeah, we just want it the right size. Not too big, not too small. Okay, you want to save that. Since you got your image, like I said, next you want to get off of this. You want to get on PicsArt. If you already got PicsArt, if you don't, then download it. You want to click on PicsArt. What you want to do is get your image that you have. Okay, so next, this like for the background type shit. So what you want to do is click on stickers and just like how you want your background. So I want mine to be like pink and stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm just looking and see what I want, baby. Let's see. I will be speeding this up. As you can see, I am doing butterflies. We all know that butterflies is my favorite and will forever be my favorite. So yeah, I don't want to do too much though, but I'm just doing something, just looking through. Now since you're done with that, now you want to click on save. Next, click on save. You're gonna have to save it. So yeah, click on save to phone device. Yeah, so next you want to do is get off of that. You want to get off of that, then you want to go back on Phono. Click on photo album, and you already have your little thing that you made, you know. So next, what you want to do is you want to go on Safari. Like I said, you want to search up its outro. You want to search up its outro background, you know, white, because you need a white one. White. Oh shit, damn. out your background whites, and you can get which one you want, but I'm going for this one. So I'm gonna save image. So since you got that, next you want to do is you want to get on phono. Then you want to click on add image. So you got this one. Then you want to size it, you know, the same length as this one though. You'll make sure that it's the same size. So yeah. So the next thing you want to do is click on this. Then you want to like put it to where you can't barely see it. You feel me? See, I have to size it because I didn't size it the right way as I should have. So I did it. So now next you want to do is click on add title. Click on the square. Then what you want to do next is you want to add color of the square you want. I might just leave mine pink, mine's black like usual. So next you want to do is you want to size it so it can like low key match the height of that. So yeah. Okay, I got that one. Then you want to do the same thing for the other one. Okay, since I'm done with both of them, okay, since I'm done with that, next you wanna click on add image again, then click on the circle one. You just wanna size it. So when you're done with that, I guess, so when you're done with that, next you wanna remove this image. Click on the background that you had add, then remove the image. As you see, boom, period. As you see, you got that. Next thing you wanna do is you wanna like click on it. Then you wanna add a title. See, one of them gonna be is watch next. Right. Then I might use this one. I might use that one. I'm gonna size it. You feel me? Then I'm gonna click on style, how I want it to be. Then click on style again. I might want shadows on mine. Cut the shadows I want. So yeah, you just wanna like see what you wanna do. You just wanna see what you wanna do. The next thing gonna be is my suggestion. The same way as this one. Click on style. I'm gonna size it. Then on top, you wanna do the same thing. Say thank you for watching. add fronts. And the fronts I'm going to use is wrenches. So I'm going to click on style. Click on style again. Then we're going to size it. It'll say thank you for watching. The next I'm going to add the same thing again, but it'll be in cursive. So yeah. Add style how I want it. So yeah, as you see, it said thank you for watching. Next you want to do is save. The next thing you want to do is go on eraser, download eraser. You want to do is you want to download eraser. Click on image. Next you want to do is click on the photo. It can be your photo, your picture, or whatever. Then you want to click on erase. Click on erase. Target area. The area that I don't want. You feel me? So yeah, then next you want to just erase. It really don't matter because they won't see her hands anyways. So next you want to do is you want to save it. Then the next thing you want to do is go back on photo, add image. So yeah. So since you got that, next thing you want to do is you want to go back on Safari and you want to click on green screens subscribe button. You want to get that and you want to screen record it from YouTube. The next thing you want to do is go to CapCut. CapCut. You want to go on CapCut, click on your photo that you made. How long you want your intro to be. So the next thing you want to do is click on overlay and add overlay. Then you want to click on the video you have screen record from YouTube. Is this little video right here. Then you want to click on edit, crop. Then you want to like remove all this green background by cropping it out. like that. Then you want to click the check mark. Since you got that, next thing you want to do is like put at the bottom where you want it to be. Put at the bottom where you want it to be, or whatever. Then you want to add animations combo. The first one. Hold up, not that one. Okay, combo. You want to click on the first one. Click on the first one. So yeah. Now you got your intro. Then you want to click on save. So yeah, and then you want to click on save. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video or to see what's the next. Oh my god. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see what's next. Get notified when I post and upload. So yeah, bye.
Is this shit real?